Hi everyone. In the last video, we saw about binary MLM plan. Today, we will look into matrix plan. Matrix plan can be stated in different ways as people say like forced plan, step plan, ladder plan. Matrix plan is a very popular plan in the whole MLM concept. And what is the difference between both binary and MLM is in binary we have seen in the last video placements happens as two people under each member like a true tree structure as we seen in the last video. When it comes to matrix plan, people are placed in width and depth format only. This width and depth concept will be fixed according to the client requirement. Now, we will look into what is width and depth. For example, how width and depth is fixed is 2 into 7, 4 into 7, 5 into 7, 3 into 9, 2 into 12. Like this, it is fixed. If we take 4 into 7, 4 is considered as width, 7 is considered as depth. If we take 5 into 7, 5 as width and 7 as depth, which means if we take 3 into 3 again, we see here under one person, 3 people should join, and under those 3 people will join. And that is how width goes. And when you look at the depth, 3 levels will go down. And just like binary, this matrix concept also has concepts like user spillover and admin spillover. Same concept works here also. When you see user spillover, if a person wants to do placement under him, he can bring the person only on his structure. When you see in admin spillover, where there is a free space, spillover will happen. There now, when we look here, under 2, only 2% is filled. Now in user spillover, he can fill only under his own structure and he cannot be placed near or in other structure. When it comes to admin spillover, it follows an order like only after filling empty spaces, only then it goes for the other spillover in a row. Next we see is income. In binary, we have seen refer income, pair income, level income. Here in matrix, we have only refer income and level income. No pair income in referral income. In refer income, you earn as much as you refer, and if you refer two, you will get two people refer income. As you are in upline, your sponsor, you will get the income for this. So this is called refer income. In level income, same method as binary is followed here. If suppose we take 3 into 2 matrix, as we know in width, 3 members are there under A1. 1, 2, 3, 3 members are here under A1. And 4, 5, 6 members to 12 are placed under them. So they are at level 2. Here 1, 2, 3 members are in level 1 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 members are in level 2. For A1, one member is under him. For 1, 2, 3, for them the level members are 4 to 12. Now we move on to how commission works. Here commissions are matching bonus and it is the same method as we saw in the binary. Here the income we discussed for level income, refer income, both works in a matrix. Considering the level income and the refer income, taking certain bonus from those and giving it to sponsor is called matching bonus. Here we see purchase commission. What is purchase commission is when you purchase a product, you earn a commission for it. It is called a purchase commission. Since it is an e-commerce based product and it is also product based, we are telling you this. Whatever product you purchase, you will earn a commission for it. And when you buy the same product again, it is called repurchase and you will earn a bonus for it called repurchase commission. Matrix is a very popular plan in MLM, but in binary, leaders all will be in a safe zone. They'll get lots of benefits. Only by keeping ceiling correctly, the company will be on a safe zone. In a matrix, there is no problem like that. Both the leaders and the company will be on a safe zone because it is a fixed width and depth plan. And the matrix plan is a customized plan. If you choose width and depth correctly, the company will have a smooth run. The matrix has an easy structure. If the company has a good understanding, it will be a very easy to manage. Also, it is very useful and an easy plan to earn. And in Matrix Plan, the potential to earn is easy. Also, it is simple in structure and also has a fast money making process. All these opportunities are available in the Matrix Plan, and also Matrix Plan is considered to be the very profitable one. Both in small organization or a big organization, Matrix Plan has given the humongous amount of success. But now in binary plan, when we see it, you can ask, will we lose if we take binary plan? No, it is not like that. There are people who have taken binary plan and won, and there are people who have lost by choosing matrix plan. What the difference we see here is who has more experience in any plan, who has more knowledge in these plans is only important. Just that we spoke about matrix plan now doesn't mean that we will win in this matrix. The experience you have in these plans are only important factor here. Whatever plan you choose, whether it is binary, unilevel, or matrix, the experience, the previous and knowledge you have is what very important. Whatever plan you choose, you will successful. So these are all what we have want to know about the matrix plan. If you have any doubts on it, we can mention it in the comments. We will clear that. And in next video, we'll look into the other plans like this. We are MLM software development company with 16 years of experience and developed 800 plus successful projects for our clients. If you have any doubts, you can call us with the number below. We will see in the next video. Thank you.